in the mouth. What is going on, guys? Well, I'm just gonna go cruise around, see what I can see up here in the hills. I had the trailer up. It's just, I thought about staying down low and just riding from my house, but it is so goddamn hot down low that I had to get up higher. But I don't know, not sure what we're gonna see up here. Hopefully some critters, but it's pretty hot up here too. That'd be kind of doubtful. But the worst day of riding is the best day of work. Wait, now you said no. The worst day of riding is better than the best day of work. I don't know. So one thing I hate about this area, man, it is so freaking dry right this time of year. Oh shit. There's fucking barbed wire there. Wow. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have really shitty eyesight as it is. Like, my eyes of a 60-year-old. Yeah, thank God I wasn't going fast. Yeah. There's some turkeys. I don't know if you can see them very well in the camera. I'll see if I can get up close enough to them. Well, that probably scared them away. Oh, whoops. Turkey, turkey! I neutral myself. Hey, there they are. There was 3 or 4 that I saw. Fucking helicopter. Somewhere. I heard it. Oh, there it is. Turkey, turkey! Oh God, I remember right there. Years ago, I was up here just kind of tooling around. I was by myself. I got up to here and it was still pretty early in the year. Well, I came up from a different road to this point because I was gonna try and come down, head home. There's a couple of spots that had some pretty good snow in it. So I tried skirting around this road and just kind of cutting across right on the outskirts of it. Didn't look very deep, but it looked like just a little skiff of snow, like maybe 2 inches, whatever. Start going through it. Next thing I know, my entire truck just fucking sank. Had snow coming over the hood. That happened at about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna take a break. And yeah, so I started digging around, digging myself out. I had to walk up here to even get cell phone reception because there was nothing down in that hole. Get a hold of a couple people, nobody would come get me. No one would come help. I spent, I don't know, 8-10 hours by myself digging myself out. Then I figured out what happened when I started coming through. The snow was fine where I thought it was. Came down the first dip, and when I came up the other one, there was 2 creeks that were running underneath the snow. It was perfect with my for my tires. Truck just went boom, sank down in on the front end and just high centered. Dug myself out. I left my truck run the entire time to try and melt the snow. It worked that way, but then it just turned into a sloppy, muddy mess. Ended up having to crawl underneath, jacking it up because no one could, pull me out. I didn't have a winch, so I could stuff logs and sticks and shit underneath the tires. I got out, but the shitty part about it, I walked earlier and noticed there was no way for me to go further down. Like, the snow just got way too it got even worse. So I had to come back through where I got stuck. I felt bad for my truck. Like, I just gunned it right through it and back. I know the front end hopped up, back end hopped up. It was ugly. So, moral of the story. Don't be a fucking dumbass. No, brutal fucking road. Oh god. Look at them views. See, that's the town I wanted to go to. You can't see it on camera, but out there's the valley that kind of has a V in it. Right there, that's the town I wanted to go to. But the road to get there skirts way the fuck out that way, and then comes back. I just don't have enough time today to do it.
So there's the town I wanted to go to.
And there's the town I am from. Yeah, man, that's pretty cool. Something that's really cool is what's actually below me. All of this entire hill is a ski resort.
So at the bottom, it's down there, the actual main lodge parking. There's another building up here, which you take the first chair up. From there, there's 3 other chairs. Oh no, there's 2. There's one actually right down here below me. The other one goes on the other side over there. The other 2 chairs are, yeah, there's one that goes on the other side over here, but... Always love this area. Make sure I don't go too far that way. It's a long drop.
Well, boys and girls, look what I found. I was already talking, but my GoPro was dead, so I had to put a new battery in. This thing's been here for a long time, ever since I was a kid. I always call it the pumpkin tree. It took some serious time and effort to put that together. Where does that go back? Yeah, quite a ways. In the mouth. Might be a little sexual. Yeah, it looks like a gun. Does it not? I'm gonna leave that right there. See if that's there next time I come. Obviously I get it, but obviously I can hop over it. Do I really want to? No. Be my fucking luck to fall in. Well, it feels weird being on pavement now after 40 miles. But alright guys, well, I'm heading back to the pickup. Hung out at the lake for a little bit, staring at the fish jumping. But you guys have a good one. I will talk to you later. Don't forget that subscribe button. Bye.